Hello and welcome to Staying Connected Tutorials. This is the fourth Staying Connected tutorial, and today we are going to make some rainbow fridge magnets. If you have this kit, it should include everything. In this kit it includes 3 pieces of cord, so that's what you'll need for this. 3 pieces of cord, 3 different colours of needle felting wool or roving wool or wool tops. You will need some needle felting needles. These two are in 2 different sizes. The smallest one is the finer needle and the largest one is the thicker needle. When you first start needle felting, you will need the thicker needle to start with. You will also need some magnet. This is magnetic strip. It has it's sticky on the back. You will need a mat. So the kit does not contain the mat. You will have to supply the mat yourself. So the mat could be polystyrene, it could be sponge, it could be an old cushion that you may have. And what you need to do first is we need to have a look at one of the cords. So you pick a colour first. So I'm going to start with my yellow. Just open your wool up like that. We don't need a lot of wool. Too much wool will make it look bulky. So just make sure you have little bits are better. So you can always add more to your project. So what we'll do first is you want to leave about a centimetre space, and this will be for your little ends at the bottom here. So leave a 1 centimetre space and just wrap the wool around once you've got it like that. You just get your needle, check which needle we have, and then we just needle it, felt it into place. You must watch your fingers, please watch your fingers with these needles are really sharp. So just hold it at one end and needle felt all around the cord piece. Needle felting is quite therapeutic, especially if you've had a stressful day. So what you want to do is you want to just needle felt in place. It will hold into place. You don't want to overdo it, okay, because we want to join more colours. If you overdo it, you'll not be able to join it later on. So you need to do the other 2 and the other 2 different colours. Once you've done all 3, you'll find that you should have one. This one's the longest, then this one's a bit smaller than this one, and this one is smaller again. So if you have a look, and if we put them inside, you will find that they need to sit, so the colours sit together. If you have a look, this is in a line. So at the minute in time they're all over the place. You need to start and join them together. So how you join them together is push them together like this, and then we needle felt them. You just need to really watch your fingers when you're doing this. So the more needle felting you do, the better it will look. Keep pulling it off your board as well, because it wants to stick. So if you have a look, it's starting to stick now. If you're finding that it's really hard, it's not sticking as well, you can add more colour to it. So if I add that in between the yellows, then you know you've got a better chance of it sticking. So keep adding little bits to it. I'm going to add a little bit in between the red and the orange, just to help it stick. What you also need to do is make sure that your wool is on line. Once you've needle felted that quite a while, you're getting it pretty tough. It should start and bend into place. So if you have a look, when I've needle felted up here, just to start and bend it, so it starts to bend like the rainbow shape. Once you've done that and you're happy, and it's a bit tougher than it is here, I started to open up the fibres of the cord so it looks fluffy. You open up all them strands. You may need to cut it down a little bit as well, so it would be handy to have some scissors. Just open it up like that. So keep needle felting that till it is pretty tough. So it needs to be like that. Once you've got it quite tough like that, what you can then do is add your magnet to the back. So you just peel away this sticky tape and then add it to the back. Now if you can add extra glue to this, so you can add some super glue or Yoo-hoo glue just to the back to make it tougher. If you want to do these any bigger, you can use rope and you could twist colour cords around them. So that's a good idea, and you could hang them from your window. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and thank you very much.